Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Marigold. Marigold is a bright and beautiful flower. It comes in yellow, orange and red colors. Marigold flowers bloom in all seasons. They have mild, pleasant smell. People use marigold flowers for decorations and festivals. Marigold is also used in pujas and religious ceremonies. Bees and butterflies love marigold flowers. Marigold is easy to grow in gardens and pots. The flower has medicinal properties and is used in herbal creams. Marigold makes our world colorful and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.